Hi, I'm Gregory Tauerwein with GNT Learning. I've been a private tutor for the last 3 years helping students develop their skills in machine learning. During this time, I worked with a wide range of skill sets, from those of the most basic student learning how to do the fundamentals of Python, to graduate work with students developing novel models, experimenting with interesting new ideas, to the business professional who's just trying to tackle the day-to-day challenges and get things to run. Now, private tutoring is not a realistic option for everyone. So this channel is going to be focused on creating videos across the entire breadth of machine learning to help people develop the skills they need wherever they are. And the interesting thing about machine learning is that despite this kind of range of skill sets and expertise, a lot of the same kind of problems come up again and again and about how one thinks about machine learning. So we're going to try to do our best to make sure we get a good cross-section, not just of the topics and specific ideas, provide some guidance on how these things come together, understand how statistics, engineering, and computer science all come together to define the field of machine learning, and then understand what kind of careers and things come out from that. Now, the videos we're going to create on this channel are going to come in 5 major categories. We're going to have data-focused videos, and this is going to be mainly done with Pandas. Now, there are other frameworks working with this, but Pandas is maybe the best way to get into learning how to deal with data itself. The second is going to be exploring basic models. This will be done a lot with sklearn because that's a great package and a great way to introduce a lot of different models very quickly. Third, we're going to look into the deep learning kind of aspect of things, and that can be done with PyTorch and a mixture of Keras TensorFlow. These will be a little bit more rich in terms of like code and detail pieces of programming to understand people how they can do this. Fourth, we're going to have a set of videos that are going to be about organizing code. Now, organizing code may sound like the least interesting topic, but it's actually the thing that takes up the most time. It's a challenge for people who get into the field from a scientific or engineering background, but not a computer science background, to go and take and build something up without getting into the full understanding of proper software development. They just want to have a solution that works, but is maintainable, and they can work with those pieces. So that's a really valuable skill set to work on. And then 5, our 5th and final category is going to be the topic du jour. So sometimes anything interesting comes up, and that's something we're going to want to talk about. And this will also be driven, for those final set of videos, by what Patreon sponsors are interested in seeing more of. So, I'm hoping that this channel can provide a lot of interesting and useful content for you as you develop your set of skills in machine learning, and I hope that you will join me along my journey.